The production process of the ham factory. First, the workers trim the fresh pork hind legs, removing excess bones, fat, and skin. This not only makes the ham more aesthetically pleasing, but also ensures a higher level of integrity in the ham, and allows for more even flavor distribution during curing. The trimmed ham legs are then transported to the curing workshop with the workers' skilled massaging techniques. Every part of the pork leg is evenly coated with sea salt. The legs, fully coated with salt, are separated by bamboo mats and evenly stacked together. In the curing room, they are left to rest for a period of time until they become firm and undergo dehydration. The workers then move them to the washing area. The cured pork legs are soaked in washing pools to remove any excess salt that wasn't absorbed. This ensures that the surface salt won't affect the taste. After cleaning, the workers move the hams to the drying area for natural air drying. When the surface turns a waxy yellow, they are transferred indoors for inoculation with bacteria. Once the bacteria are applied, the hams are ready for sale. At this point, the ham has an even color and a rich aroma.